So we're on day 16, which is down here. Now, I was debating whether this could be a car or not. This one was a car, day number 3, and that's a similar kind of shape. So this could be a car. Day number 16 could be another car. Are you excited? I hope you're excited. I mean, I do need some excitement in these videos. I need people to watch these. I hope you're excited, because I'm excited. Well, actually, I'm kind of excited. I'm just really wanting a muscle tone now. I know it's like, I haven't shut up about that, but I just want a muscle tone. What's it going to be? Quickly, comment down below what you think it's going to be. No cheating, as most YouTubers say. Honestly, you don't have to, I don't care. Whoa, it's a car! Oh, mate, that actually looks pretty cool. Come on, get out. Ow. I'm not going to play. This looks... Oh, this looks cool. What is this called again? Flight 03. I have a couple of these castings in my childhood collection. I actually think these are really, really cool. I haven't seen this in a while, and I've just been reminded how awesome this is. I'll be honest, I'm not 100% sure about the orange, but it does work with the colour scheme. Oh, that is so cool. That silver is really nice. Got the blue and green striping on the side. They do quite like using this metallic blue, this sort of shiny metallic blue striping. I swear it's been on like 2 other cars in this calendar by now. It's got these weird looking wheels. They're alright. They kind of work on this casting, but I feel like they could have used some better wheels. Lensed front headlights, which is awesome. Hot Wheels logo on the side. This back end is just ridiculous. It's completely nuts. With your massive rear splitter and your 2 massive spoilers on there. That's awesome. Do you know what? That is really cool. I think I'm going to say that is the best car out of this calendar so far. That's really nice. So yeah, day 16, another car. So 6 out of 8 cars. 2 cars are remaining. And if we go by the stickers, that's Muscle Tone and RD08. But who's to say those stickers are actually giving away what cars are in this pack? We don't know, because so far we haven't had stickers for that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. And there's not that many stickers, so they're probably not giving anything away. Which is a shame, because I really want the Muscle Tone.